Well, the gusty winds have caused a lot of headaches this past weekend for homeowners. In fact, for the past few weeks. That means among those very busy roofing companies. And they say business not slowing down anytime soon. Elisa Arevalo going beyond the headlines tonight with more on this story. Elisa.
Hey, Howard, roof repairs could run into the tens of thousands of dollars. So taking action before a storm could save you big in the long run. Business is booming for the folks at Ohana Construction. From blown roofs to leaks and repairs, General Manager Tandon Hayes tells me the calls haven't stopped over the last month.
As a general manager, I'm usually in the office doing operations, but I've been out in the field up on roofs and doing inspections myself.
They've even had to hire more people.
So we have crews that go out into the island, into the community, and we survey the affected areas. On average, I would say we've done about at least 5 to 10 projects, signed contracts a week.
I'm told having home insurance and knowing when to use it is key to saving money, as was the case for this home in Manoa. About 75% of the roof was blown off.
It actually ended up costing the homeowner no more than their policy deductible. So I think they ended up paying about $1,000, which was their deductible, and then the rest of it was covered by the insurance. Homeowners, especially in Hawaii, they don't automatically think about filing insurance claims.
Hayes says, simply put, pay attention to your home and don't wait until it's too late.
If they have an old roof, they would want to get it fixed before the strong winds come. That way they can avoid material being ripped off and then leaks happening.
And if your roof is anywhere between 10 to 15 years old, it's a good time to call an inspector.
We can come and do a damage assessment, especially if you're seeing tiles flying off, even just one or two.
I called around to other roofing companies today. Many were too busy to go on camera for this story, but many told me they offer free quotes. I'm told when researching roofing companies, it's also a good idea to find one who's licensed. Elisa Arevalo, KHON 2 News.